Yeah, bro. Well, this is going to be called the Mouldy fucking cooking show. Hope you enjoy it. Have fun. Does anyone know what the fucking cooking oil is?
No.
Do you know what the cooking oil is? No, I don't.
It's snowing.
Yeah, and Carter breaks my phone. Here you go. Found it, yo. Ah. Oh, landed it. Oh. Not even. Oh, look at it. I'm going to go pour.
Did you get that thing out?
Pour the more in here.
Did you get it?
Yep.
Good.
Come on, pour
So
it.
we'll put this in.
It's just like pouring gasoline into a car, eh? You just unclip it from its hook.
Diesel truck.
And then you put it into the hole.
We'll show you a car that has so much camber. Oh, Jimmy doesn't have that much camber now, right? We'll show you our friend Jimmy's car.
Well, shit, camber.
On. No, I had a really good camera, but we'll show you on Wednesday.
Did you know how to work this? Cause fuck do I know. Slow cook, deep fry.
Alright, doing it in the oven.
Woo! Worked it! Yeah, well, I usually don't use these old people things, but
I'll
fuck.
do half in the oven, and do you want... No, I'll do some in the oven. Do you want it on the pan?
No, I couldn't care less.
Oh, I'll do a sauce with some mushrooms.
We don't have any mushies.
Oh, what do we have?
Shit, because we didn't have any money in the house. But I could do some kalua. Yeah, look at that. Oh, yum, looks yum.
I'm joking, guys.
It's fucking indie. I'm not joking. Yo.
Don't. So you do.
What, I'm 16, I'm allowed to drink. Oh, yum, look at that. Oh, yum. Fucking hell. Scott, you left your sandwiches behind. So I reckon that might be... So this is the stuff that I should take. Executive Stress B. Apparently it has lots of shit in it. Including acid, apparently. Look. You can see it. Close up. See, this is acid. Acid.
Move the sausage.
Hey, what?
Soft and hard.
Soft and hard.
Did you touch your pimentos?
No.
This can be yours. Jokes.
Watch us two try to make dinner.
I know how to cook. Fact. So let's do that. Let's do that. Fact.
Zaygang. Boom gang! No. Boom gang! Oh my god!
Hey, go to the race, please.
Woo! Okay, that's the end of that cooking show. It was a bit boring, but you know. Keeps me surprised for the vlogs.
What did you do?
Juice. Say yo to the camera. Yo, bro, what you know? Nah. Shame is called it.